Hello friends. Now let us take up JFT 1C program. This is the third level in our Java Fast Track series. Actually, this is the extension of 1B program, second level program. So first you complete 1B program with 100% confidence. You must be in a position to write it on your own after completion of that. Okay. You may have few doubts. Don't worry about that. Doubts are meant for clarified. So they will be clarified automatically. After completion of one or two projects, you will have perfect command over the elements whatever you studied so far. Okay. Now what extensions we are making? In 1B program what we did, we calculated floor area and four walls area of the room and just displayed. In this, as an extension, we are taking up a renovation cost, renovation of the room. This renovation of the room, actually two elements are there. The first element is replacing floor tiles. Replacing floor tiles, replacing floor tiles. Actually, for this I have given cost 150 per SFT. So already you calculated floor area. So floor repair, floor laying cost, you call it the floor laying cost. Then floor area into 150 you make, then that element you get. The second one is repainting the walls. Repainting the walls means you must apply your common sense. As I told you many times, every programmer must have common sense. Intelligence is secondary. I am talking about common sense. So, here repainting the room means which areas you repaint. Actually, we repaint the walls as well as ceiling also. That you must remember. You should not ignore that. Okay. As far as four walls are concerned, certain area is excluded. What is the area? The area of windows and doors. Every room is having a number of windows, one or more windows, and one or more doors. So that painting is different. So I am talking about wall painting. I am not talking about doors and windows painting. So you have to calculate what is that paintable area. Paintable area means originally what is that? Four walls area plus ceiling area, then I can call as floor area, because ceiling area and floor area should be one and same. Okay, whatever the area of the floor, what is the same area flooring is having. So this you have to add minus the total area of the doors and windows. Total area of the doors and windows. For that you need not make any special calculations and all that. I made as it is 20% of the whole thing. 20% of the four walls. 20% of the four walls. So you have to take, and that means four walls area, how much you have to take? 80% of the four walls area only you have to take. 80% of four walls area only you have to take, plus floor area means ceiling area you have to add. That is the paintable area. Paintable area, and paintable area you have to calculate, and for that I have given the rate 20 rupees for SFT. 20 rupees for SFT, that you have to calculate. And as far as renovation cost is concerned, you have to show a separate statement, and in the separate statement you have to show the floor replacing cost or floor laying cost and repainting cost separately. So this is the task of the program. First, in this manner you have to understand the problem. If it is required, that is a good habit also. Arithmetically you calculate, and like this you take a room like a drawing room, and you give the length, breadth and height like 20, 15, 20, 10, and thereafter you calculate floor area, floor area into 150. Thereafter you calculate four walls area, and in that only 80% you take. For that you calculate ceiling area, and 80% of the four walls area plus ceiling area is called a paintable area. Giving names is very important. You always think of what name is appropriate. What name is appropriate means whatever name you give, one should understand. Simply seeing the name, one should understand. Paintable area means anybody can understand. In that way, you give the names. Now, in this manner, you understood the problem. Now, I show you the expected output. Means two statements you have to print. The two statements also I show you. So, one thing you must remember, 150 rupees per square feet is the floor laying area, floor laying cost, and repainting area SFT 20 rupees. Now, let us see the output, because with the reference to this output only, as far as contents as well as format is concerned, you have to write your output statements. Okay, now you see, first room dimensions, there is no difference. Actually this is 100% same as the previous program, same manner you put, and units, everything I need not explain. And as far as room renovation cost, just you have to focus. Here also you have to give the room name. Room's name is drawing room, and you need not give length, breadth and height, because other statement is showing. Thereafter floor area 300 SFT, and according to these values, just you give whatever values, but whatever values you are giving and all that, you should apply your common sense. Common sense in many ways. Drawing room means normal drawing room you have to take, and always breadth is breadth value is less than length. That point you have to understand. If you are using 2-3 rooms and all that, height of all rooms should be same. These all concepts represent your common sense. Okay, now you see paintable area 860, and floor laying cost. Floor laying cost already I told you now. Here in this case 300 into 150, 45,000. So here 860 is the paintable area. Paintable area means 80% of the four walls area, and ceiling area. Ceiling area is nothing but floor area, and its cost is 20 rupees for SFT. That is 860 into 20, 17,200. Ultimately, you have to find out the total cost, total renovation cost. That is 45,000 plus 17,200. So 62,200. In this manner, here whatever values I have given, and you need not give same values. You give other set of values also, and I calculated for one room. If you want to calculate multiple rooms also, you can calculate.